Hey everybody, I'm at Creativation at the new product showcase, and I'm going to show you some new products. Some of them might not be something that you would want to use, but stick with me and I will show you mostly everything. So let's go. And we got the Pen Flex. I'm going to go over this way. We have Ranger Glitter Gel, which looks amazing. Then these are cool.
The last one is this one right here.
Got cork fabric. Oh, this looks amazing. Some of them have like glitter, like mica in them, it looks like. That's so cool. Alright, and then we have Karen.
Hi, Tiffany doing a video too.
Oh, this is Dress My Craft. This is Dress My Craft. This is some Thermo Web Pixie Spray, which you guys know I love. And we have Deco Foil from Thermo Web. We have more Thermo Web from Rena K. Amazing. And we have some more Thermo Web Glitz Glitter Gel. Look at that stuff. That's pretty amazing. And then we have the Shrink Prink Plastic. This stuff is amazing. So a designer from Dress My Craft made all of these from that plastic. She colored them and everything. So it looks really amazing. Let's Dress My Craft as well. Amazing. And then we have some beads here.
Brand new. This has been a killing.
That's cool.
This is a killing. Yeah.
So this is
a non-slip coating that you put on the back of all your rulers or underneath your papers.
Okay.
Or underneath, you know, like when you have a stamp station. You know how you have those little magnets that are always like popping up.
Yep.
Well, you just spray the bottom of your stamp station.
Okay.
And the paper, once you put pressure on it, it doesn't move.
Okay.
So you can keep going on it, and it's really great. Or for rulers, you can just do whatever you want with rulers, and when if you need to slide it around, it slides.
Yeah.
But when you want it to not move, put your finger on it, it doesn't budge.
Nice.
Pressure doesn't move. Because sometimes you do want it to slide around, you know?
Yeah.
And then we also use it for card making. You know how when you have your base paper?
Yep.
And you're wanting to, and it's like moving on your table. So the trick is to take just a blank piece of paper, to spray it with the grippy.
Yeah.
Put that on your table.
Okay.
Put grippy on here, and then when you're working your card, the minute you put pressure on it, it doesn't go anywhere.
Nice.
It's excellent.
Yeah.
It's really great. I'm going to be doing demos of this on my booth the whole time. 1743.
I was just coming to see if you... Alright, we have archival inks. Amazing. Then we have some brushes. And we have some glitter acrylic paints here. Plaid. It's got more. This looks like pouring paint, pouring medium. Then we have some highly pigmented, what are these, watercolors? Then we have some, what is this? Metallic luster. That looks pretty amazing. All right. Next we have this here. Turn every object into molds. Oh my goodness, this thing looks amazing. This looks like something I want to try. What brand is this? We Are Memory Keepers. This is We Are Memory Keepers. This looks amazing. So you can do shaker cards, soaps, all kinds of different things. Then we have some spray paints. Then we have what is this? Fabric Editions. Fabric Editions. Took me a second. Look at those little unicorns. They're so cute. All right. Then Lawn Fawn. They're always coming out with amazing things. Super cute. Then we have some soap stuff. If you're into that, pretty cool. Then we have some knitting stuff. Some more knitting stuff. This is some Krylon whitewash paint. Then we have some of this diamond art. Oh, look at that card. Super cool.
Glue sticks. Glue sticks are really, and glitter glue sticks. Oh, I like this mount. Look at that mount.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Got that. Then here we have a beginner craft knife from Olfa. It's pretty cool. Alright, then have some wood stuff here. This looks really cool. From SW Craft. Then we have some, what is this? Cocoa butter, some soap stuff. Then we have art bin, vinyl storage. Oh, this is neat. This is a desktop organizer. Then we have some Aurora Flakes, Ecstasy Crafts. This is pretty cool. Then some more spray paint from Krylon. More knitting stuff. Super cute. Alright, then we have more spray paints from Rust-Oleum. Sorry, I'm not going over most of this stuff because this is really what... Oh, this is actually cool. Fabric paint. The airbrush. That's pretty cool. And last we have this here. A burn stencil. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so that is, I think, 99% of all of the new products showcased at Creativation 2020. Bye!